G'day, welcome back to Authentic Collectables. Today it's twin set time, and no, we're not talking about donning a skirt and a top, and we're actually talking about twin sets of cars. This year it's the 2023 Teams Champions. Let's have a bit of a look at these, shall we? So as we're closing up the last of the cars for the 2023 round, the last ones that we really have to do are the Teams Championship winners, because this was when Erebus absolutely cleaned everybody up. Will Brown and Brodie Kostecki ended up as the team's champions. This is also when they were still sponsored by Coca-Cola in that iconic livery that we all know. As we'll all remember, Brodie ended up with a championship win out of that as well. Will Brown has also now got a championship win under his belt as well. So this is kind of an iconic set. This is sort of the start of all of the big things happening. So these are a limited edition of 228, so there's not many to go around. You better jump in quick. If you're an Erebus fan, better grab them. If you're a Chevy fan, you better grab them. If you like a can of Coke, you're probably not too bad either. We've got a few other cars coming through. There's a whole bunch of 43rds in this same container. Keep an eye out for those, so you might find something else you like as well. As always, keep collecting, like, subscribe, ring that bell, and we'll see you a bit later on. Righto, take it easy.